Hi, and welcome to Essential Words for Business English, the course that will help you to understand and use words essential for doing business in English. My name is Charles Cornelius, and I'm a professional English language teacher. I've been teaching all over the world for 20 years, including at the British Council, and in that time I have taught hundreds of business English students. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand and use over 150 words essential for effective business communication. You will be able to read and listen to English more easily, and you will be able to write and speak English more clearly and fluently, using a wide range of vocabulary. You will be able to carry out business in English more effectively. On this course, you will learn a wide range of words in a variety of fun and engaging ways, using my unique language learning method used by thousands of students worldwide. You will learn the meanings of each word, how to pronounce each word. You will look at hundreds of example sentences. You will see the most common collocations, that's words that often go together. You will learn the different forms for each word, and the most important synonyms for each word. Because I think learning is more fun and effective when you're actually doing something, I have also included lots of quizzes in the course, and lots of worksheets as well, which you can use to create your very own vocabulary booklet. So if you want to improve your ability to communicate in English for business purposes, then this is the course for you. Thank you so much for your interest in this course. I hope you're as excited as I am, and with our 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. So click the Enroll button now and start learning the first of the essential words for business English.